Hi friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Can you guess where we are? Just by the colors of the building? We are at Ikea, and you wouldn't think about Ikea as finding good house plants, but I have found some really good house plants here. So let's take a look inside and see what we find today. $3.99. And it has a hole in it. Some cacti. Just $4.99 for the cactus. Decent selection. They look like they're in good shape. They don't look overwatered. Oh, that's nice. It's like a small. It's a small San Pedro cactus there. That's nice. Oh, that's a nice Echeveria. Just says Echeveria, it doesn't say that. Look at that. That's nice. You know what that is, friends? It's got some purple tinge to it. Maybe a pearl never gets into these lights, but you never know. There's another one. Golem. Crest golem. Oh. And they have a propeller plant. Small propeller plant. Surprised to see that here. That's pretty good. Wow. And the succulents, potted succulent, $3.99. Wow, that's really good. This feels really heavy. This has been watered recently. What a brilliant color. And a lot of them have blooms. Some aloe back there, looks like an aloe blush. Portulacara afra. Some aloe. Propeller plant. That's nice. That very nice zebra plant. Orthia's zebra. $3.99. Some more aloes back there. Pellet plant. Carafra. Good selection. And then they have some tropical plants here. There's some sansevierias. These are $3.99 also. That's a good price. I am not a croton fan. Croton. I tried growing it and it is too fussy for me. It just needs way too much humidity than I can offer it. These are light. These need a little watering. It's golden pothos. Sansevierias, bird's nest sansevierias. Here they have some more. Looks like some more Orthias. These are $3.99 also. They have actually a really good selection. I'm really surprised that their echeverias look really nice. Aloe veras. Lots of aloe veras. Look at this jade. Wow, so pretty. It's so noisy in here. It's even a Monday. I waited till the weekday to come in here. Crest is $7.99. That is a really good deal. And they're in good shape. Somebody here takes good care of them. There's a person that knows about plants here. The 6-inch pothos are also $7.99. And the 6-inch sansevierias are $7.99. But they're tall. This is a different variety. Look at the pattern on that. Have you seen that, friends? Sansevieria trifasciata, but I'm not sure I've seen that pattern before. Okay, then we have the ZZ plant, $9.99 for a 6-inch, and they look pretty good. Look healthy. They're not overwatered. I've seen them for more at Lowe's. Little palms. $7.99 also. Some bromeliads. And the bromeliads are $9.99. So pretty. So nice. Look at this Sansevieria Fernwood Mikado. These are young ones. They're $9.99. They're in good shape. Beautiful orchids. Not bad, $19.99. Phalaenopsis. I'm not an orchid person. It's large corn plants. These are $35. These large corn plants. Dracaenas, $35. Palms are $14.99. Very healthy. And the smaller palms and smaller Dracaenas are $12.99. So $3.99. This is like a ceramic. It's not terracotta. It's terracotta looking. No hole. I don't know how it would be to drill in something like this. It feels really weird. But you can use it as a decorative pot and put a nursery pot in it. Here they are in a smaller size. And they're $2.99. That's not a bad price for these if you use them only for a decorative pot. I mean, they're really pretty. But again, I don't know what type of material this is and how it would be breathable or like terracotta or not. Look at these things. Oh, isn't that cute? I don't know. I mean, you couldn't hold much water, but if you're going to be watering little things, that is so cute. Even just for decoration, I'd get it. But here's a very popular one. This one's $12.99, $9.89. This holds more water. I've seen this one quite a bit. And these are $3.99. This is a nice, they're plastic. But it looks like you could drill a hole in it. See, it's got a little indentation. Some more baskets. Already lined. So these would be for a decorative, not actually putting a plant in there, but for a decorative pot. You put a nursery pot in it. I have one of these. These as a decorative. Little pails. The galvanized one, 79 cents. That's cute. They have some shelving. $50. It's metal. It's nice. I like that ladder. You can hang things on it. Like that. Lots of good ideas. If you're interested, if you don't have a green thumb or a spot that does not have any lighting and you want to put a really nice plant in there, don't be afraid to put a faux plant in there. I have them in my bathroom because I don't have any lighting in there. Oh, peoniums. They even have, oh, it's a Palea plant. This Palea plant's only $12.99 and it'll never die. Oh, I love these baskets. I mean, it has a liner inside already. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Love that. These are $30. I don't know. I think I could find something like that maybe at Goodwill. But they do have a beautiful assortment. Well, that's it for this visit, friends. As you can see, Ikea has quite a bit of plants and succulents in really good shape. I have bought a few plants here and had really good luck with them. So I would definitely recommend coming here and checking it out. It's fun even just to walk around. If you enjoyed this video, friends, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. You'll never know where I'll show up next. Okay? Have a blessed day, friends.